Driving was supposed to be about the freedom of the open road, but if you're gripping the wheel of a car with outdated tech, constantly craning your neck to check blind spots, and fighting with tangled aux cables, you're essentially commuting in the Stone Age. Today, I'm walking you through an arsenal of 15 car gadgets that will instantly modernize whatever you drive, making your daily commute feel like you're behind the wheel of a next-gen luxury vehicle. I've dropped all the links in the description below with the best current deals, so you can easily grab the upgrades that fit your setup. The foundation of a modernized vehicle starts with visibility, and the Autovox solar backup camera doesn't play around with half measures. Hardwiring a camera usually means ripping your car's interior apart, but this unit runs on solar power and installs in under 5 minutes. It delivers a crisp, real-time feed directly to your dash, completely eliminating rear blind spots without the installation headache. At $129.99, it's positioned exactly where serious road safety begins, giving you the confidence to parallel park or reverse out of tight driveways without the anxiety of a fender bender. Once your rear is covered, it's time to rethink the rearview mirror itself. The Wolfbox mirror dash cam completely replaces that tiny, limiting piece of glass with a sprawling digital display. Think of it as a continuous, ultra-wide live feed of everything happening behind and in front of your vehicle. It cuts through nighttime glare and heavy rain, meaning you aren't constantly squinting through a foggy rear window. Costing $129.99, you are paying for dual-lens 4K 1080p recording that not only acts as an undeniable witness if things go sideways on the highway, but fundamentally expands your field of vision. Less stress, more control. Here is where most drivers compromise their focus. They spend hundreds on premium sound systems, but still glance down at their dashboard every 10 seconds to check their speed. The GPS heads-up display puts a stop to that dangerous habit. For just $15.99, this compact unit projects your exact speed and direction right onto your windshield. It matches your natural driving sightline. No more taking your eyes off the road when traffic suddenly halts. It's cheap, it isn't gimmicky, and it reduces visual fatigue on long road trips by keeping your eyes locked exactly where they should be, straight ahead. Nothing kills your momentum faster than turning the key and hearing that dreaded clicking sound. Waiting an hour for roadside assistance or awkwardly asking strangers for a jump just isn't efficient. The 5000A jump starter completely eliminates that dependency. Delivering a massive 5,000 amps of peak current, this compact beast will revive a completely dead battery in seconds, handling everything from standard sedans to heavy-duty diesel trucks. It sits quietly in your glove box or trunk, holding its charge for months, and even doubles as a heavy-duty power bank to fast-charge your phone in an emergency. At just $32.99, it's not just an accessory, it's mandatory roadside insurance. You buy it once, and the first time it saves you from being stranded in a dark parking lot, it has already paid for itself.
Now, we already touched on a basic GPS display. But if you want serious vehicle telemetry without taking your eyes off the road, this upgraded heads-up display is the definitive solution. Instead of just estimating speed via satellites, this unit plugs directly into your car's OBD2 port, pulling raw, real-time data straight from the engine's computer. You get your RPMs, water temperature, battery voltage, and live fuel consumption projected cleanly onto your windshield. The multicolored interface naturally separates the data so your brain can process it instantly, and the auto-adjusting brightness ensures it pops in direct sunlight without blinding you on a midnight drive. At $49.99, you are getting fighter jet-level situational awareness that completely transforms how you monitor your vehicle's health on the fly. The Juanvon CarPlay screen brings your cabin straight into the modern era without requiring you to rip apart your dashboard or splice wires. This freestanding, high-resolution monitor mounts securely and instantly equips your car with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Your Spotify playlists, Waze navigation, and messages are seamlessly synced and accessible via voice commands or the ultra-responsive touchscreen. No more balancing your phone on a cheap vent mount mount or dealing with random Bluetooth dropouts. Priced around $119.99, it's a massive quality-of-life upgrade that essentially gives you a 2024 luxury car interior for a fraction of the cost of a factory stereo replacement. Now, if you have a secondary vehicle or perhaps your main screen just isn't cutting it for long-distance navigation, the wireless CarPlay screen is a dedicated powerhouse. Think of this as the ultimate command center for your dashboard. It features a massive, vibrant display that handles split-screen multitasking, so you can have your turn-by-turn directions on the left and your music or podcasts on the right. No more alt-tabbing through your phone's apps while trying to stay in your lane. At $139.99, it fundamentally changes your workflow, keeping your focus on the road while ensuring all your digital tools are visible at a glance. It's one of those upgrades that makes an old car feel brand new the second you turn the ignition.
Finally, let's talk about the black hole of every car. That narrow gap between your seat and the center console where phones, keys, and French fries go to die. The LED gap organizer doesn't just stop the drop, it turns that wasted space into a high-tech storage hub. It slides right in and gives you a designated spot for your wallet and phone. But the real winner here is the integrated LED lighting and charging ports. It adds a subtle, premium ambient glow to your cabin that looks incredible at night, while keeping your devices powered up without cables sprawling across your gear shifter. For $24.99, it's a small investment that fixes a massive daily annoyance and instantly cleans up your interior's aesthetic. When your check engine light pops on, the first thing most people feel is a sinking sensation in their stomach, followed by the dread of a massive mechanics bill. The car diagnostic tool puts the power back in your hands. Instead of driving blindly to a shop, you plug this into your car's port and get an instant plain English explanation of exactly what's happening under the hood. It clears error codes, monitors live sensor data, and can even tell you if you're likely to pass your next emissions test before you ever show up. At $35.99, it pays for itself the very first time it tells you that your major engine issue is actually just a loose gas cap. It's for the driver who values transparency and hates being overcharged for simple fixes. If you're looking for a more integrated tablet-style experience for your dashboard, this specific CarPlay screen model focuses on ultra-fast boot times and a sleek, low-profile mount. It's designed for those who want their tech to look like it came from the factory, not like an afterthought stuck to the glass. The interface is ridiculously smooth, no lag when you're swiping through maps or toggling between your favorite apps. It supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that no matter what phone you or your passengers are carrying, the connection is instant and stable. At $125, it's the middle ground sweet spot between budget displays and overpriced head units, offering high-end responsiveness without the high-end price tag. Here is where most family road trips or camping excursions completely fall apart: lack of space. You've got the kids in the back, the dog in the middle, and suddenly there's no room for actual luggage. The Rooftop cargo carrier solves this by moving the clutter out of the cabin and onto the roof. Unlike those old-school hard shells that are a nightmare to store when you aren't using them, this heavy-duty, water-resistant carrier is aerodynamic and folds down into a small bag when the trip is over. It's built to handle rain, wind, and highway speeds without shifting or leaking. At $149.99, it essentially adds a second trunk to your vehicle, making those 5-hour drives significantly more comfortable because nobody is sitting with a suitcase on their lap.
For those of you driving older trucks or vans that didn't come with factory tech, the wireless backup camera is the ultimate upgrade for your rear-view visibility. This unit is specifically engineered for a rock-solid connection that doesn't drop out even if you're driving a longer vehicle. It features enhanced night vision sensors that turn a pitch-black parking lot into a clear, high-contrast image on your screen. No more guessing how much room you have left or jumping out of the cab to check your hitch. At $145, it's a rugged, professional-grade tool built for people who actually use their vehicles for work and need gear that can survive the elements. If you're a pet owner, you know the struggle of choosing between bringing your dog along and keeping your interior clean. The dog seat cover ends that conflict. It's not just a thin sheet of plastic. This is a heavy-duty, multi-layered protector that creates a hamper-style barrier for your back seat. It's scratch-proof, 100% waterproof, and features a non-slip backing so your dog stays secure even during sudden stops. It protects your upholstery from fur, mud, and claws, and when the adventure is over, you just shake it out or wipe it down. At $49.99, it preserves your resale value of your car while making sure your best friend is as comfortable as you are on the road. Finally, the wireless CarPlay adapter is the set-it-and-forget-it solution for anyone tired of fumbling with cables every time they sit in the driver's seat. If your car already has CarPlay but requires a wired connection, this tiny dongle plugs into your USB port and converts it to full wireless. Your phone stays in your pocket or on the charging pad, and the second you start the engine, your maps and music are already live on the dash. It eliminates cable clutter and the wear and tear on your phone's charging port. At $65, it's the final piece of the puzzle for a truly seamless high-tech cabin. Altogether, this full suite of upgrades brings your vehicle into the modern age for a fraction of the cost of a new car. Every gadget here serves a purpose: more safety, better organization, and a much smoother daily drive. But I have a few more tips on how to keep your car running like new. Go watch this video next to find out the 5 maintenance habits that will save you thousands in the long run.